My name is Alice Knight. I am a writer and I write almost anything, poems, novels, short stories, whatever catches my fancy. The next two pieces are two poems from a collection about being transgender and the experiences, a conversation between you and me where I do all the talking and hopefully you hear something that you like. I'm scared of this, of you, the nebulous, faceless, unknown you, eating my words at a gallop, closer with every line. Can you see me yet? The woman outlined in digital ink, hiding behind two doors in an upstairs study, wondering how much of my heart to give, how much is safe. The easier answer is nothing. To remain no one, silent like I've almost always been, smothered by 1,000 thoughts, sharing none. But I can't. Not if my fear can swallow even part of yours. I gaze back at my younger self, at the woman who never was, and I ask her, what should I tell you now? Well, you and I are about to find out. It's time to name those nameless aches and be the voice I never heard. Let me give you the words. Take them from these pages and make them yours. Misgendered. It feels like breathing, vital yet forgotten. At least that is until someone, a poet perhaps, makes you think about every breath. The rise and fall of lungs, in and out. And now it's in your head. You can feel the way your ribs rise, air catching in your throat, the uncomfortable knowledge of self, a machine made out of meat. Will that be all, sir? And now I feel it too. The shadow of my difference, trapped inside this body and left with the spark of a now familiar calculation. Is it worth telling them that they're wrong? Do they mean to hurt me? Do they even know? Am I fishing for another awkward apology from a stranger who simply does not care? And for what? It's already here. The ache, the pain of simply having to fight over and over to simply be. Take another breath. Your own this time. Slow as you need. Make this moment yours. It's not always worth it. Wrong person, wrong time, passing on the stairs, a call to order food, a fleeting connection over so quickly, and you're just too raw to rip yourself wide. And wow, does that feel like crap. But it's also okay to hold back, to wait until you're ready. And until then, for the hurts and comments that replay over and over, long into those sleepless nights, all I can say is this: I'm sorry, and I hope that you're all right.